Several shops destroyed by fire at New Forum Fishing Village. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Fire of unknown origin destroyed several shops and stores at the New Forum Fishing Village in Portmore, St. Catherine on Sunday morning. Reports are that at around 2 a.m. an alarm was raised by persons who noticed smoke coming from several facilities on the compound. Norman Purier, district officer of St. Catherine Fire Department, said when the firefighters arrived, several buildings were already engulfed in flames.
We received this call about at 2:01 a.m. On our arrival, we saw multiple buildings fully ablaze. They immediately engaged to extinguish, and at this point in time, I cannot say what caused the fire. So I cannot say how the fire really started. Our initial investigation to ascertain how the fire might have started, but we haven't found any clue as to how the fire started.
The district officer for St. Catherine Fire Department said that the blaze took firefighters hours to be extinguished. However, 12 shops and stores were completely destroyed before the firefighters could actually extinguish the blaze. Links 007 TV will track this story and provide more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.